Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, bringing you guys a quick video on troubleshooting your tail caps. If it seems like you're having some functionality issues with your light, this is a good way to check if the source of the problem is your tail cap or if it's something else. A bad tail cap is the most common source of the light dimming, engaging without the pressure pad even being pushed, or indicating a low battery even though the battery has a full charge. Now, with Clicky Tailcaps, you want to make sure the tail cap is fully seated and not hung up on galled threads or debris in the threads. You can see if I unscrew this tail cap just the tiniest bit, I no longer get function out of the light. Now, to diagnose a faulty tail cap, remove the tail cap, and with something conductive, you can press down on the battery and touch the interior side of the light body. This will complete the circuit and can be indicative of a faulty tail cap. All right guys, thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.